In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm Virtual Card 2025, step by step. Let's start with what the Affirm Virtual Card is. When you're approved for a loan with Affirm, you can load that approved amount onto a one-time use virtual Visa card. You can spend it at a merchant of your choice, either online or in store, and most places that accept Visa will accept it as a payment method. Think of it like a temporary credit card tied to your Affirm loan. To make a purchase, first request a virtual card from your Affirm account. Once you've requested it, you can access the card details in three places: in the Affirm app on the Affirm website after you sign in, or in the confirmation email that Affirm sends. Keep that info handy when you're ready to pay. And remember, it's meant for a single use. Paying online works just like using any credit card. At checkout, choose credit card as your payment method. Enter the virtual card's 16-digit number, expiration date, and security code. Then enter your own billing address. Double check that your billing address matches what you normally use for card purchases, and complete checkout as usual. If you're shopping in a store with an iPhone 8 or earlier, add the virtual card to Apple Pay before you head to pay. At the register, look for the Apple Pay symbol. Hold your device near the reader to bring up Apple Pay, tap to select your virtual card, and rest your finger on Touch ID until you see Done on the screen. Using an iPhone X or later is similar. Add the virtual card to Apple Pay beforehand, look for the Apple Pay symbol at checkout, then double-click the side button to open Apple Pay. Tap to choose the virtual card, glance at your device to verify with Face ID, and hold your phone near the reader until you see Done. On Android, add the virtual card to Google Pay before checkout and make sure NFC is turned on in your device settings. At the register, look for the Google Pay symbol. Open Google Pay, swipe to choose your virtual card, and when prompted at the terminal, choose credit. You'll see a blue checkmark once the payment is complete. One important note: you can't use an Affirm virtual card at merchants that sell goods or services that violate Affirm's terms of service, such as firearms and alcohol. If you're unsure, check the merchant's policies and Affirm's guidelines before attempting the purchase. That's it. Request the card, access it, and pay online or in store using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Keep your card details secure and use your own billing address and you'll be good to go.